If you want to improve your English, then watch video till the end. These fantastic phrasal verbs help to sound smart. Ask out, back down, back up, blow up, break down, break in, break into, break up, bring about, bring up, brush up, bump into, burn out, call back, call off, call on, calm down, carry on, carry out, catch up, check in, check out, clean up, come across, come back, come down with, come in, come out, come up with, count on, cut back, cut off, deal with, do over, do without, dress up, drop by, drop off, end up, fall apart, fall behind, fall for, figure out, fill in, fill out, fill up, find out, get along, get away, get back, get by, get in, get off, get on, get out, get over, get rid of, get together, give away, give back, give in, give up, go ahead, go away, go back, go on, go out, go over, grow up, hand in, hand out, hang out, hang up, hold on, hold up, hurry up, keep on, keep up, kick out, knock out, let down, let in, look after, look at, look for, look forward to, look into, look out, look up, make up, mix up, move on, pass away, pass out, pick out, pick up, point out, put away, put off, fill in, find out about, get back, get in, get out, give away, go back, go out, grow up, hand in, hang out, hold back, keep up with, run into, set up, take after, take off, take on, follow, admission, and academic English for daily English improvement.